Hey guys, what's up? This side Prem and you are watching my channel Digital Prem. So guys, this video is about social media marketing. So in this video I am going to tell you everything about social media marketing. What is social media marketing? What all are the strategies you can use for your business? How it can be effective for your business? What are the benefits of social media marketing? So I will tell you everything step by step. So guys, first we understand what is social media marketing. Guys, as name suggests, social media marketing is a type of marketing where we promote our product or service, build a community with the target audience, and drive traffic to your business, to your website on popular social media platform like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest. Guys, it will help you to connect with your target audience so you can engage with them over there with the help of target on your, because they are socially engaged on social media platforms, so you can approach them with your product. Guys, social media marketing is valuable and helpful to your business growth, so you need to use social media marketing for your business. Guys, media strategy will be different for different social media platform. It will depend on where your user, your audience spend time. So according to that, you will strategize your content, your post, and you will target a particular segment on particular social media platform. So guys, now we understand how you can create a social media strategy. So guys, first you need to identify your audience, your buyer, your potential customer, where they are socially active. So you need to research, you need to find out so that you can easily target that particular segment and you can approach them and you can aware them about your product or service easily, and you can reach more audience as well. So you have to do research well where your target audience are socially active. And the next one is which social media platform you will use to promote your product or service. For that you need to research where your product audience are active, what time they are active, what's their interest. So you have to do work on that as well before promoting your product on any particular social media platform. And you can do this by running ad. You will know better which platform will be best for your product or service. And the next you can do by creating unique and engaging content. Guys, content is everything for your business, you can understand well. So you have to do research well, and you have to create a relevant, valuable, helpful content to your audience. As you can see around how your user are engaging with your competitor, because they are seeing your competitor content as well. So that's why you need to create unique and valuable content to them so that they can engage with you, they can show interest on your content, your product service. Then there will be chance you can get more leads, conversions. So that's why you need to work on your content. And the next one is you have to make a schedule for your post. So you have to decide which particular day time you will post your content, every week, month, so that your user can show interest and can wait for your content, your product or service. So you have to work on all these strategies that will work for your business if you'll do in a better way. Guys, now we understand what all are the benefits of social media marketing. So guys, first one is it will help to increase your brand awareness. As you know that millions of people are active and available on social media. So if you are not using social media, if you don't have presence over social media, that means you are missing out a lots of thousands of millions of potential customer for your product. So that's why you need to use social media marketing campaign, and you have to show your presence on social media profile, so you can increase your brand awareness about your product. And second one, it will help to generate leads and boost conversion about your product. As you know that thousands of people are active on social media, so you can take the advantage of it. You can engage your product with them by promoting and sharing your product on social media. So it will help to generate leads for your product. It will help to boost conversion. It will help to increase your sales because you are going to advertise and target to those people who opted to engage with you by following your accounts. So that's why it will help you to generate leads for your. So you can generate leads in a different ways, like you can run like contest. So you can offer contest to your visitor, your audience, so that they can participate in your social media profile. You can host live video to make product announcement. You can include links to your website and offers in your bio section of your social media profile, or you can implement social media marketing campaign, any one of your marketing platform. So you can generate leads by this way. So by using social media marketing, you can nourish a relationship with your customer by connecting and engaging with them over social media platform with your social media followers, so that you can build strong and long lasting relationship with them, which will be helpful in future as well if you launch any new product. So for that, you would be able, if you interact with them through your post, if you respond their questions, answer, if you reply on comment, and providing them any kind of help they need. So this way you can build strong trust with them, and you would be able to get what they want, and that will help you to sell more product as well. And the next one is, it will help to learn your competitor, what your competitor is doing, what all product they are promoting, what all marketing campaign they are using, what all tactics they are using, so you can keep an eye on your competitor through social media marketing. So that's it, guys. So if you liked this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's meet in next video. Thanks for watching.